Did you find something?
Look at this.
What is it?
Real Titleist.
A golf
Because the golf course is just around the corner.
over there.
And, oh, there's lightning.
Cool, let's go to the lightning.
Storm chasers.
That's a bad sentence. Let's go to the lightning. It's not smart, huh?
That's what white people do.
Let's go to the lightning.
Some
Cool.
pretty nice rocks to be found. I always love finding quartz inside a stone.
We are in Strandhill today.
First time back at the beach since the COVID-19 crisis shut down Ireland. Dead. But thankfully, you know, things are doing pretty good now and the beaches are open again. Some shops and stuff are open and I think restaurants open in a week or two. You can see people out there surfing.
Super cool and super cold. That's not cold, but I mean it's June.
It's the breeze.
It's not cold if you have a jacket. What is it? Ah.
Look at this. Bit of quartz crystal inside the stone. I think I kind of like that one. Can you see it?
No,
Yeah.
now we can. You want to take it?
I don't know. Maybe we'll find some more quartz. But I really enjoy finding it.
All right.
I've been to the beach for so long. I forget what it's like. Oh, my search for pumice goes on.
Pumice search.
This is not real pumice. I mean, this might be the early stages of it or something. It's not full of air. But you can see it wants to be a sponge, but it really is a rock. We can look for pumice, but you can only find it usually somewhere up high because that's where it's left.
I
when
would
the
like
tide
to go
changes.
further down because it's easier.
Maybe we find a mermaid.
Mermaid. Do you think mermaids are vegan or do you think they eat fish?
They eat fish.
Probably.
This makes sense.
You want to see how cold the water is? Can we try?
I wouldn't say it's cold at all.
Okay. Yeah.
It's kind of cool.
Hey.
What if we meet that woman again?
The climbing woman?
Climbing woman.
Yeah, well we have to climb
We were
to
fast.
see.
Get caught.
Okay. And I think over there is the airport already. Well, I tried to zoom in. Those towers, I think. We got to Strandhill Airport.
I think we always find the same fossil.
Yeah. Do you think there is only one or what?
Look at this, it's almost pumice. It's got almost everything except for the lightweightness.
It's cool.
It's full of air. It is very cool, but it's still very, very heavy. You wouldn't want to use it in the shower. Nice.
No fires.
Keinen Feuer in deinen Platz. In deinen Platz keinen Feuer. Right?
You should make a CD.
I was thinking of that like kids' music. You think there's enough of this to get a buzz off of it? Oh, there was! Alright, let's go up here, I guess. I like these cairns, you know, when people make a
Yeah.
little tower.
Yeah.
It's an ancient thing.
Let's go up there.
Porn.
Porn. Sure.
Just want to express themselves.
is a train, look! A sign. Airport loop. Dogs must be kept on a leash at all time. Killasbukbronner loop. Alright, so we do the dark purple one, right? We do the dark purple one?
Yes.
Alright.
The water treatment plant, that's not an airport.
Oh, that's not the airport. Yeah, I didn't think. Looked too much like one.
Looks exactly
over there! Over there! Or is that a lighthouse?
That's a lighthouse.
Then I don't know.
Let's keep walking.
Okay, let's keep walking.
It's exactly.
But that's nice that they put up this string that really keeps you from falling. But here they say, I don't care.
That's enough string.
That what? What do you mean?
Vegan. Wow, it's pretty magical. The colour. Nice. I always wanted to live near Ben Bulben. I'm glad that we... Actually, Cork was my first option, of course. That's just because I listened to advice.
Cork. You know what's different in Cork to Sligo?
What?
I think the walls are straight.
Yeah, the roads are pretty crappy down in Cork now.
Hello. Hello.
Ben Bulben is the place that I saw a picture of and thought that's where I want to live.
I have not seen snails in a very long time.
Up here.
Huh?
Snail-apocalypse.
Snail-apocalypse?
Yeah. Snail-mageddon.
Better than Sluggermageddon.
Yeah.
Sluggergeddon? Sluggeddon. That is fucked!
What?
It's amazing! I want to do that again. I go back down and then I come up and there are trees. Alright, let's do that again. Water. Forest. Wow.
You want to touch the wire?
No.
Fair enough. Because it's wet or something, because you can hear the ticks. So you touch it between the ticking noises, because that's when it hits. It's good fun. Good. So here to test your nerves. That's also why you don't really get electrocuted. You just get a little tick, and then you feel it, and you move out of the way.
Yeah. Look, the
Blackberries?
yeah, they're already starting the flower soon.
God.
That looks like broccoli or cauliflower.
Yeah, I can see that. Until most people don't walk around here. That plane isn't going anywhere.
Oh, that's so cool. That's
The
the
dead
missing
plane.
Malaysian plane.
The wings are missing and the tail's missing.
What does it say? I can't read.
This
Training
is training.
rig. Fire service training rig.
So they practice on that thing to put out fires and stuff, I guess. That's interesting.
That's nicely organized, huh?
I think this must be new or something.
I mean, yeah, it looks new. But on the other hand, it's a string. I mean,
pollen.
Pollen comes from Poland originally.
Yeah, this is a pretty small sort of tree.
All of this here, oh no, that's brennesl. But that is berry. So many berries everywhere. Free place to be. Because the berries are free. Whoa! Yay! Yay! Whoa! Oh no! Did you hurt yourself? Oh fuck!
Just be a second.
Did you twist it?
Yeah, I stood on the side.
Aye.
That was a surprise. Put the jacket on.
Do you think it's hurt?
Twisted. That's all. Nearly died on the Ben Bulben walk. Oh no, it's not even the Ben Bulben walk. Look at me. I have to shelter for the night.
You want me to build you a shelter?
I'll be alright in a second. I just hope no one comes right now while I'm recovering. I just don't want to put any pressure on it for a couple minutes just so that it can...
You want me to look if there is a bone sticking out?
No, I just move my toes and stuff. Everything's okay. It's alright, all my toes are moving in that. No, I stepped on my ankle. I don't even know how it happened. It must have just been, you can see a little indentation.
Whoa!
From where I kind of...
That wasn't you, that was you here.
Oh, I don't know.
We have it on video, you can watch it as often as you want.
Did you film it?
Of course.
It must have looked pretty gross with the foot.
Alright, we have to make an announcement. Alright, you just saw that was not fake. We do not have a medical card, so if we need an operation and might need some money, you can donate. And that's not even a joke. But I think it's okay. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's alright. I just had to give it a couple of minutes, you know, because there's no point putting pressure on it straight away. And my toes are alright. It doesn't hurt, really. But I literally stood on my ankle like... I didn't know my foot could do that. No, I'm alright.
Okay.
I'm alright.
If you still want to send us money, you can. It's not. It's optional.
For
really.
climbing shoes or for hiking boots, because these sneakers
You see
probably
what
aren't the right
happens.
shoes to wear in a forest.
No. Also, it's raining, so it's a bit slippery.
Yeah. No, it's okay. I'm just not going to put too much pressure on it.
That's why we film it. Last time I fell in sheep shit. On Ekel Island, that was even worse.
Yeah, I remember. And it was your birthday.
Yes.
Which made it even more...
That was a pretty wild stunt fall. It wasn't a stunt, really.
I'm just as surprised as you are.
It looked, you know what? It looked so amazing that it looked fake. Because I was looking at it happening. And I thought, what is he doing? It's not necessary to act that much. For YouTube, we're not even getting paid for anything.
I think that I've been injured.
But again, if you want to say...
I've been injured enough times to know to just give it a couple of minutes, let the blood settle or whatever, and then see if you can do anything with it. But no, that was all right. That wasn't. I mean, it didn't feel good.
Over here... That's the way to Coney Island. There are those pillars. It's not Coney Island weather today. Hey, look over there. You can see the pillars to Coney Island.
Oh,
So you
cool,
start
yeah,
there.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's where we are.
Yeah, yeah. Cool, huh?
It is cool. Oh, and then that lump over there is Coney Island.
The lump, yeah.
Well, I mean, that we passed through.
Yeah, yeah. We hope you enjoy using the Killasbukbrone loop walk.
Oh.
And thank you for staying on the dedicated path. All right. Well, that's a friendly message. Look at all those tractors over there.
Yeah, I wonder where the house is. It must be a fisherman, though. I think they're all like crab pots or something on the side.
Interesting.
Oh, that's not a path.
Wait a sec.
That's where the cars came out.
We are here. Okay, so we walk back through the town. Fuck, that's still very far.
Yeah.
Well, then keep.
That's it. Let's turn around.
No.
I'm joking. No.
Very cute.
Every Sunday.
More than just a market.
Wow.
Oh, that's the where I want to sell my
That's
stuff.
the airport.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I'm getting a picture.
Yeah,
I didn't realise it was in the hangar.
that's cool.
Yeah.
Baked goods, live music. Imagine you live so close to the ocean, huh? I mean, we live close, but they live close.
Yeah, but I mean, they probably live so close to the ocean that it's frightening when there's a storm. Whereas I think we're
Or
pretty
if
lucky.
your house is up there, then
Yeah,
it doesn't
well,
really
that's
matter.
okay. Yeah, sure. I'm trying to...
Flowers! Everywhere, flowers! Well, good your ankle is not broken and no bones are sticking out, because that would have been a long walk
Yeah.
for me to carry you
Well, I think we'd have to figure out to get
on my back.
some wood and then make a splint and then use my
God.
jacket to tie up my leg. Yeah, we would have done the whole thing. If anyone says, do you need help? Yeah, I'm alright. Yeah.
Pretty! Look how pretty!
How much that's